Hi my love stones, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. Today we will be doing knotless spring twist in this video. Y'all, this was my very first time doing something like this, and I thought the results were very nice. I used the U-shaped parting in this video because she previously showed me a picture of this style and the parts were U-shaped parts. So we didn't do square parts in this video. I am doing the U-shaped parts, and you will see in the video how to make a U-shaped part whenever you're doing U-shaped parts. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit so we can get right into it. I am using the braid gel in this video for her hair. As you can see, the product is at the base of the braid. So once you finish the twist, you want to take and you want to rub that product in so that product won't sit as a residue on her hair. So always make sure you're rubbing the product in at the scalp. Okay my love stones, so let's get into it. So here I take product, apply, I do a base, I braid 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. Grab a piece of hair, feed it in right there, braid, and you grab the other piece, and then you braid a little bit, and then you want to take and split the hair in half into 2, and then you're going to twist down after you apply product. Right here, you want to take it and twist down so that you'll have a easy twist flow as you're twisting down. You want to apply product. So here I'm speeding it up some. I'm going to twist it all the way down. And don't forget, y'all, to rub that product in at the base of her scalp. Here again, I'm going to show you. Here's my U part. So U part is like a curve, like a horseshoe. So U part, apply that product, rub it in, comb through. I'm going to braid. Get my hair. I'm going to feed in my hair. Braid. Don't forget to apply your product once you start the twist down. My love stones, here is a picture of the particular hair that I use. I did send her a link for her to get this hair off of Amazon. So this is where she got her hair from. And she ordered 2 packs of, I think it was like a pack of 6. So you will really only need 1 because we had a whole nother pack left over and some out of the first pack. So you will only just need to order 1 round of this hair. You don't need to order 2 because that would be just too much. And here is the final look. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Those who are new here, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Those who are returning love stones, thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. And I will be doing more videos, more tutorials for you. If there's anything that you would like to see me do, y'all let me know in the comments. Any questions I can answer for you that I have not covered, please let me know in this video. Thank you for watching. As always, until next time, be blessed.